Ang ibig sabihin ng emerge, ito ay lumalabas. Emerge means to come on the scene to bring forth. The God who hides you will be the one to reveal you. Itinatago ka ng Diyos kasi alam niya kapag ibinigay niya na ngayon yung pinagpipray mo, mawawala lang, masisira lang. Sometimes God will put you on a hold. Sometimes the Lord will bring you in a waiting room where you see people in the spotlight, conquering their dreams, their destiny, and you are in that room waiting. Kailan kaya darating ang oras ko? God has put you on a waiting room, not as a punishment, but as a preparation for your promotion. Ang tagumpay ng ibang tao ay hindi simbolo ng kabiguan mo. Bakit pag may nagtatagumpay, feeling mo na pag-iwanan ka? Bakit pag may umaangat, feeling mo bigo ka? Their success is not a sign of your failure. It's a sign that you are next in line. Kaya kapag may nakita kang nag-i-emerge, may nakita kang umuunlad, may nakita kang nakaka-breakthrough, ang ibig sabihin lang nasa tamang atmosphere ka, ikaw na ang susunod na mag-i-emerge. Kapag kaya mong pumalakpak sa tagumpay ng iba, kaya mo rin pumalakpak pag ikaw na nagtagumpay. Darating ang panahon, pag lahat ng pinag-pray mo, nandyan na, iiyak ka lang. Sasabihin mo, mabuti na lang hindi niya binigay noon. Kasi kung binigay niya noon, baka hindi ko na-handle ng tama. You will emerge. Why? Kasi God has been hiding you for a long time. He's been preparing you. He's been nurturing you. He's been developing you mentally, emotionally, spiritually, because He's about to release you. You're about to emerge.